Commercial building owners, it is so important that you reach out if your building was hit by hail. If the hail hit your building, if your roof has been compromised, you're owed a new roof by your insurance company. You only have 1 year from the date of storm to file. This could be one of the biggest alterations that you make to your building during the ownership of that building. Why not have it paid for by your insurance company? It's very important that you have somebody come out who's qualified to take a look at that commercial roof system. Hey guys, it's Nick Aragon from Up Top Roofing. Give me a call today and I'll explain exactly the process to you.